Hello, teacher. My name is Ramon Calderon Guzman, and today I'm gonna share with you a short history called air conditioner statement. This history is about Mr. Green, uh, who was the manager of large company. She often had to have meeting with other business people in the meeting room in her building. Uh, she didn't smoke at all, but many other people did at the meeting. Uh, One day, after an hour, her throat and eyes were sore, and she was coughing a lot. And after that situation, she decided to call a big air conditioner company and ask for how much it would cost to keep the air conditioner of her room meeting clean. And after a few days, the the air conditioner company sent sent to her two estimates. One, uh, one, sorry, one that one that was about $5,000, and this one, this one was about to book a new air conditioner, and the other one was about to $5. In that one, you have to do is to make a sign that said no smoking. And after that history, the message that I can take for all this is that uh, we sometimes have a problem or difficult situation we don't know how to solve, and most of the time we have a solution in our hands. Yes, and it's that simple that the one the air conditioner provide to her. And how I can apply this in my life, where is interesting question, but we all the time have to deal with some difficult situation or issue. But the thing is, we have to be focused in the solution, no in problems. In that case, I think I can resolve more easier. Thanks, teacher. That's all. See you in the next short history or in our class. Bye.